Hi guys, Mark here. Today we're going to talk about Rule 89. If you're looking to customize your car, maybe to add some extra power through sport exhaust or just make it wider to fit wider tires for better grip, well, that's where Rule 89 comes into play. So it states that your car needs to comply with two laws: road vehicle regulations and road vehicle lighting regulations. For regular users, it doesn't really matter because all cars sold in the UK comply with those laws. But if you're looking to customize, make sure you check them out. So it's important that you obey them because that's what makes your vehicle road legal. For example, some dirt bikes don't comply with all those regulations and you can't register them and use them on public roads. Looking into those regulations, link in the description, is an interesting read. Did you know there's a minimum power requirement for all the vehicles in the UK? Can you guess what it is? Also, another interesting fact, there's a maximum width limit for all the vehicles in the UK, 2.5 meters. So be careful when customizing and don't go too wide with your beast. Let me know if you find anything else interesting in those regulations. Hitting that like button would help me a lot. And as always, thanks for watching. Drive smarter.